Hi guys, welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. Today's video is on a delicious, super simple dessert called magic bars. The magic is in the condensed milk, which I'll get into the ingredients in a second, but these are really special to me because my family always used to make them every single year for the holidays between November and December, and we used to, among other things like batlawe, which I'm going to be showing you very, very soon, ghraibeh, which is like our Middle Eastern butter cookie or like shortbread cookie, which I have a video on, and just so many other things, my pumpkin butterscotch muffins that I also have a video on, so good. So this was one of those things that was like traditional for our family every year. And I'm really excited to share them with you because we kind of we did not create this recipe, but we made it our own. And it's really easy to do that. So let me show you what I have right here and how you can customize it. So let's get into the ingredients. So the magic begins with graham crackers. These are just crushed graham crackers. I like a thicker-ish crust, so I use more graham crackers, but you can use less to get a thinner crust if you'd like. I have melted butter, but you can also use melted samneh, which is ghee, and I do have a video on that. Samneh makes everything better, okay? Some condensed milk, you're gonna use the entire can, the small can. And then these are the toppings of choice for us. So traditionally, I think you just use the chocolate chips, maybe some nuts of your choice, and then coconut. What I do, because every year we would have butterscotch chips left over from my pumpkin butterscotch cupcakes, so I decided to add those. I have white chocolate chips, some toffee bits. These are just like Heath bars that you can buy. It's called like bits of brickle or something like that. Just crumbled toffee bits. I have a ton of pecans, so I am using that, but you can use walnuts. That would work really well here. And these are coconut chips. So if you can see, they are like flat. They're not shaved coconut or shredded coconut, I mean. These are coconut chips. I got these from Trader Joe's, and I'm pretty sure you can find these at Costco too, but get them without sugar. You have plenty of sugar here between all the white chocolate and the butterscotch and the chocolate and the condensed milk has a lot of sugar in it. You don't need sugar in this because we're gonna drizzle some condensed milk on, I'm already salivating. We're gonna drizzle condensed milk on the crust and on top. So it's gonna work out. You do not need that extra sugar in the coconut, let me tell you. Mine are a little bit large, so I'm just gonna take them and just break them a little bit. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna take my graham crackers, add in all of this melted butter, and I'm just gonna mix this up. So this is kind of what you want it to look like, kind of like wet sand. This is perfect. It's not super soggy from the butter. I don't want it to be like that because we're gonna compact it at the bottom of this 9x13 pan, and we're gonna top it with the condensed milk so it will stay in place. And this is also gonna prevent it from crumbling when you cut it and eat it in individual bars. So I have a 9x13 pan. That's my oven. 9x13 pan, you don't really, well, I don't grease it because this already has butter in it and it's just fine. So I'm gonna add all of this in here. All right, with my hands, clean hands, or you can use a cup with a flat bottom. I'm just going to evenly spread this out on my dish. And it doesn't have to be, super perfect. This dish is very, very rustic and it's very forgiving. All right, now I have my condensed milk can and I'm just gonna drizzle it all over. And well, you wanna only do half of the can because remember, we're gonna be drizzling half of it on top. This is the layer that's going to allow all the toppings to adhere to the graham crackers, and it's gonna keep, like I said, all the graham crackers in place, and it doesn't turn into just a bunch of like a crumbly mess when you go to cut it and serve it. This is the holidays, guys. Don't come at me with this is too much sugar. This is what the holidays are for. I always start with the chocolate chips for some reason. I use bittersweet, but you can use semi-sweet, you can use milk chocolate, you can totally use whatever you have, whatever you want. This is just a basic guideline because these are the easiest bars you will ever make. Just scatter them so every bite has a piece of the chocolate chips. All right, next, the white chocolate. So same thing. All right, so once all of these are on, this is when I like to add the nuts of your choice. Today I'm using pecans. And then I always like to end it with the coconut. I love the coconut to be on top because it gets golden brown and it's beautiful. It's just so appetizing to see that come out of the oven. So I am just gonna pour all of the pecans on top. And then lastly, all the coconut. This looks like a lot of coconut, but this is how I like it and how my mom likes it. She loves coconut. All right, we are just gonna push down on this ever so slightly. You don't want to disturb the graham cracker crust at the bottom. You just want everything to just sit in place. And like I said, we're going to finish this off with another good drizzle of whatever is left in the can of the sweetened condensed milk. I could just eat it right out of the can, seriously. Alrighty. So I really used probably 3/4, if not more, of the can for the base. And then the rest is just gonna get drizzled on top like so. All right, this beauty is going in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until you see the tops of the coconut turning golden brown and beautiful and crispy. Then you know it's done. And then resist the urge. I'm serious. It's gonna be hard, but resist the urge because you need to let it cool before you cut into it. Gotta do what you gotta do. Look at how good this looks. So it was in the oven for about 25 minutes. I let it cool for about 30. You don't have to let it cool for that long. That's just how it ended up working out for us. This first piece is gonna be a little bit hard. Oh yeah. This is what you're gonna end up with. Like an ooey gooey bar slash chocolate chip cookie slash way better than a chocolate chip cookie. This is like heaven. I do need my fork though. Money. Money. It is like the most decadent, but not overly so. It's just perfect. The crunchy coconut on top, to me, makes it all. Even more so than the pecans. The coconut is necessary. When we used to give these to our neighbors, they would love us. And when you make these, you're gonna love me too, because they are amazing. They're called magic bars for a reason, okay? They have magical powers. You'll feel it. You will feel it once you eat it. I hope you guys give this a try. You will not regret it. You will be so happy that this is on your Thanksgiving table, your Tuesday night table, any table. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post videos. I have so many videos coming up for you between now and the end of the month for Thanksgiving. So I hope you check them out and try them. You will love these. Please give them a try. Follow me on social media, on Facebook and on Instagram. You can follow me there and send me pictures of when you make my recipes because I love seeing that. And I'm gonna finish probably like half of this tray right now. So I will see you later. Thank you for watching. See you next time on The Bite.